I cannot go in yet until the owner comes back from vacation. But I don't think you can see in there. Maybe here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Don't see anything abnormal other than I just can't breathe. Let me see if there's another window on the side. Is there anybody in here? I think so. Maybe nighttime is better. Hello? Hello? Okay. Is there a dog? What was that? I don't... Okay, I'm getting out of here. Okay, definitely hearing like thumps in there. Like inside. But it's coming from where I was at earlier. I'm gonna go like 2 more windows and then I am gone. All the chairs. I don't see anything.